Maverick has come up with a suggestion to address one of the most pressing issues with the current Reggae Boyz team. Arguably, Jamaica's most talented set of players ever, with at least half of the starting 11 playing in the English Premier League, with other good pieces, including the best goalkeeper in the region. But in terms of cohesion, they still don't look like a well-organized football team. Well, my not-so-novel suggestion to get the team gelling better is for Coach Jaime Hallgrimsson to pick his strongest possible squad and strongest possible starting 11 every single FIFA date and every single international game. His intention must be to pick the same squad and the same starting 11 every single time. Obviously, there will be injuries and players will be unavailable, etc. But the intent must remain: same squad, same starting 11. Players out or unavailable, replace them with other like players. Keep the consistency in selection going. Now, is anyone out there who can come up with a better plan to get this Reggae Boyz team playing with more synergy and cohesion? Speak now or forever hold your peace.